I was sent this 120 square foot pool filter and asked to give my opinion on it and make this short video. So here goes. Here's how you'll receive it. It'll come in a box, very carefully packaged, with a plastic covering all over the whole thing so it's sealed. You've got 4 straps here that help support all the pleats. And this has got 120 square feet of coverage, so it's going to fit those Haywood filters that are designed for 120 square feet. So you're going to check that part number. Typically it has 120 marked in it, and that's the indication. Inside you can see a plastic housing throughout that gives it structure, and then it's also got a very hard plastic end on it here with a bit of a malleable surface, so it's going to make a good seal for the water going through this filter against the filter housing itself. The filter is pretty high quality. You just feel it in the materials. Pleats are very tight, so you're going to get a lot of filtration through this. Easy to clean. You're just going to spray this off with a hose, and all the crud and everything will wash off of it. Typically, I'll put a pole through the center here and then put it on a chair like this and just let it spin and just spray with the hose here to clean it off. So this is a very good quality filter. It's a one-stop shop. If that's the type of housing that you need, you just got to buy this one filter and then insert it into your equipment. And it's definitely going to help you keep your pool clean year-round. It's got a great addition of 25% more fabric in the thickness of the media here that it's comprised of, and definitely a pool filter replacement for your Haywood that you would be happy with. Hey, I hope this video was helpful and I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.